I think as a mom, you always want your kids to start the day with a bang. I have a food blog that I call Picky Palate, and I just love to create family-friendly recipes. One of our very favorites are these BLT Egg Bites. So I've got a 6-year-old, a middle schooler, and a high schooler, so our school schedule is all over the place. As a mom, I love to make these egg bites just because I know it keeps the kids full until lunch. It's packed with protein, especially for busy weekdays. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add tomatoes, arugula, some cheese, and those go into the bowl. Now we'll start chopping the bacon. I love using Smithfield Fully Cooked Bacon. It makes it so much easier. You don't have to use any extra pans or anything. It's already cooked for you. We'll go ahead and give a good whisk. And so there's 12 egg bites, and that's so great. I can do breakfast one morning for the kids, and then the next morning I can pop them in the microwave, and we've got another meal. What I like to do is just put them on a plate with a little bit of fruit, serve it to them before school, but if they're in a rush, you can also wrap them up and they can take them to go, which is great too.